Q&A session with Sandeep Maheshwari at Mumbai. I am sharing in this video whatever I have learned from this video so that all of us can easily remember those lessons in a short time. So let's start. We keep doing a lot of things for the fitness of our body throughout the day. But what do we do for our mind? While the mind itself runs this body, the energy of the mind is the energy of this body. So to be highly energetic throughout the day, we have to pay attention to our body as well as our mind. We all know how to pay attention to the body, to exercise or to do yoga, but how to keep the mind fit? There are some other things you can do to keep your mind healthy. The first thing you can do is meditation. Even if it is 5 minutes in a day, but daily meditation should be done on a regular basis so that the mind remains calm. Now the second is to read something good. Good doesn't mean reading a newspaper or watching the Mahabharata on TV. Good means reading some good books. If you don't like reading, then you may listen to an audiobook. With this, the negativity that grabs our mind gets removed and our mind remains on the right track. If you read a good book even 30 minutes every night before you go to sleep, then it is guaranteed that you will be able to notice a very positive change in your thought process within a month. Now the third thing, to say something good. Always say some good things to anyone wherever you are, whether you are in office or at home. What will happen if you do this? If you say something good to others, then others may or may not be benefited by it, but you will start to believe that positive thought even with more conviction, which ultimately will surely be helpful to you. So smart idea number 1, take care of your mind also. You can go out of your comfort zone by exactly following these 2 steps. The first step is you have to discover who you are from inside. Are you a businessman, a cricketer, a singer, or something else? Only 1 in thousands know who he is from inside. So if you already know this, then your first step is done. But if you don't know it yet, then you have to keep trying everything one after another until you discover it. Do not get stuck anywhere. Nothing will happen if you sit idly and keep thinking whimsically. You have to try different things, then one day you will discover it and you will say, yes, that is what I am made for. After discovering comes the second step, to gain knowledge and experience. The more you continue to acquire these things, the more your confidence in that thing will grow. Because belief never comes with thoughts or words. Belief comes with experience. As your faith will get stronger, you will automatically come out of your comfort zone. Because the more you believe gets stronger, the more your enthusiasm will increase, and when the excitement will increase, it will pull you out of your comfort zone. After that, you have to take small steps in that work so that positive results may come and the excitement remains sustained. If you want to achieve something in your life, then you will have to leave your comfort zone at some point. And when this calling will come from inside, then you have to take the call. So smart idea number 2, get out of your comfort zone. There is a big problem in our life. That is, we are not always able to remain positive, which is an absolutely normal thing which happens to almost everyone. It is hard to remain positive when there is negativity all around us. No dear, it's easy. Suppose you have your breakfast today, does it mean you will never need to have breakfast anymore? Tomorrow? The day after tomorrow? Never? In the same way, today you have read something good or heard something good which has boosted positivity in you. Will it always remain within you? No, it will fade. So what you need to do is time to time refill it again. That means whenever the negativity gets increased in life, take a break from your daily hustle and go to some quiet place and start reading something good for the day. Just do that and you will see the mind will be back on track. This way, finish all negativity and get back to work. So to remain positive, you need to take the dose of positivity on a regular basis, just like having breakfast regularly. So smart idea number 3, remember to take regular dose of positivity. Thank you for watching the video till the end. More wisdom, more solution, better life.